Huh? What?
If it's sort of lined up between those two.
Okay, so there's still room to get to the
Yeah,
machines.
they can get over there. That keeps them from getting
And it's
over
also
here and
it also is
blocking up
within
these.
fire regulation, kind of.
Well,
Sort of.
it keeps them from blocking this machine. They can get through here while we got that open.
It's actually not fire. It's not fire. That's why I said kind of. Where's the key?
So it's getting busy again.
Oh yeah, it is. Let's just hit it after this one.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not.
Not really.
I'll let her go ahead and go. Go ahead. So where's what?
Okay.
Oh wait, it says it on it.
Whichever ones.
Which ones are we filling? Everything.
Yeah. That one's going to need some hot Cheetos before anything, so.
Where is it?
And you can get your. I try to get them put the same place every time, so I know that's hot. And this is
You need to,
jalapeno, and that's Ruffles.
What would help me is if when y'all get them in, write what they are on the box on the outside.
It's on here.
No, like with a Sharpie, so it's easier, like faster acquisition.
Well, but once you get used to it, you'll know.
Oh, so do y'all stack them the exact same way?
That's why I try to get them to do.
Okay.
If we run out of something, that's the only time you see them out of place normally. But this week we have to really just take them all off the ribbon because we ran out of ribbon. Had to ship them in. That way I can reach and find them quick because I can't read that.
Okay, here's the keys. What are we pulling first? Cheetos? Okay, what are we pulling? Cheetos? I'm gonna grab 2 right now.
Let me show you something.
Good. Oh wait, we're gonna definitely need more than 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
I turn them upside down and kind of holds the
You
air
just missed.
out.
You just
so
completely missed what I just did. I just did it without even thinking.
Okay,
That's
well,
funny.
that's the way you do it. And that way it'll sit down on the bottom.
With the air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you don't want them on that wire.
Do you want them put upside down?
No.
Then let's fix. I'm gonna fix the ones in the front.
Upside down, you know, I probably did it.
Yeah.
I can tell most things, but sometimes I'm.
Probably need to switch my head mount in a little bit. Probably need to switch my head mount in a minute.
I'm gonna get some of the extra wires over here while you do it.
Okay.
In a box of cupcakes.
Yep. How you doing today?
Yeah, how about you?
Good. It's my first day. What else do I need? Having a session with vending machines. This is a long story. Sun chips. I don't see them. Like nothing in this one. When I was in elementary school, I actually reported Frito-Lay for giving me free chips, and I got like a lot of stuff. It was awesome. I'm actually making a YouTube video right now.
Okay.
I'm a media major. I have 193 subscribers on the channel. I'm trying to just build it right now. No, it's hold on. Let's see if I can get this fixed. I got it. This just helps with me being tall. Need cupcakes. Where'd she go? I'll go ahead and put this back up for now. Cupcakes. Go and pull the next shelf out. I need the regular Cheetos. I only need one. Fritos, let's see. Okay, good. I'll need the cakes in a minute. And I need where's the green Frito-Lays? That's classic.
Where's that big open box?
Right there.
There's your cupcakes.
I'm gonna go and stick them where you had them. Right there.
I think you need them on that top there.
Yeah. No, I'll get there in a minute. I'm looking for
you needed some of these.
I'm looking for these green Frito-Lays, vinegar.
Somebody's got fish. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's bad. The heck? Where is the
What's green Frito-Lay?
The sour cream and onion.
Oh.
You want to put any more?
You're talking about the big ones, right?
No,
on the top shelf or the second?
The second.
The small. Yeah, there's a big box. Right there.
That's not them. That is baked Lay's.
Okay, they're supposed to be on here somewhere.
Those are the Sun ones.
Chips.
I don't see any on this cart. Hold on.
It's a big box.
That's not it.
How many did you need?
Just 3.
Okay, let's skip that for right now since we don't see them.
Go ahead. Let's go and stock those cakes. We're gonna put cakes. I need 3 cakes. That's not it. Those Cheetos. Oh, she can tell. I forgot.
One thing, sometimes if we're low on something real quick, make a piece of cardboard punch that you think for the same box.
Yeah. 3rd row.